you about that.
It's gonna be these two, this one.
Gang, who y'all got y'all money on? My X5 or Omar X5? And look at this special shout out. Look, Sasha giving much.
Perfect.
Welcome to the Autolust YouTube channel. And if you're new here, we're currently working on my supposed to been 2 months ago 1200 horsepower BMW X6M. And if you've seen the last couple videos, which I'm gonna put down in the description, you know that we've been having super bad transmission problems with my Hellraiser Performance brand transmission. But we finally getting fresh air because the guys over at Pure Drivetrain Solutions decided to sponsor the channel and put a stage 2, which is built for 1400 horsepower transmission inside of Sasha. So we finna get her in there and get this transmission out. It's time to get back on the track, gang, and go for that world record 9-second pass. The master over here at Boosted Beamers got up on the lift. It's time to drop that tranny. And look at this special shout out. Look, Sasha giving much power at Boosted Beamers. She right here in the flesh, giving much power. And then he got his babies over here in the car, under the car covers. Two of the most beautiful cars BMW ever made. Both of these are M3s. I would take the car covers off them, but you know how people are about the old ladies. You're not finna pull somebody's wife panties down or lift their skirt up, so you gotta respect the man's ladies. So we gonna leave them alone. But yeah, Sasha, she getting back on the, hey, gang, she getting back on the track. Set it back to the middle. All right, gang, we got it out with a royal we. You can see the back of the engine right there. Flywheel, and here she go. Soon to be a pure drivetrain solutions. Stage 2, 1400 horsepower, 1200 foot-pounds of torque capable transmission. I can't wait to see it when it's done. We just gotta pop the transfer case off, and then she ready to go on the pallet. And the high stall converter. This is a high stall converter. I think it's like 300 or 400 more RPM up over the factory, and that's gonna help her with the 60 foot. But Pure Drivetrain Solutions gonna, you know, swap, either refresh this one or just throw a brand new high stall one in there. So, you know, definitely big shout out, huge shout out to Boosted Beamers right here, the owner Omar. Big shout out to them boys, man. I couldn't do it without them. And a huge shout out, you know, to Pure Drivetrain Solutions, man. They really looked out, you know, with the sponsorship. The transfer case is now off. And that's pretty much the whole tranny right there, the whole transmission. You know, it looked long in the car, but it's actually pretty short. You know, just from here to there. And we put the transfer case over here because we're gonna refresh it. Go ahead and change the fluid and stuff while it's out. Then when we pop it back in, we'll recalibrate the, you know, the transfer case and stuff like that. They actually make an upgrade part for this transfer case. I might go ahead and order that and get it put in. While we doing that, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna put that right up here on the right hand side. That's an upgraded part for the transfer case, and it stops it from looking like this if the clutches were out. So yeah, I might do that. So might as well, you know, get everything bulletproof while we in here. So we got the tie down straps and the heavy duty zip ties for the torque converter. And we just waiting on the pallet to come so we can slap this baby on the pallet and get on out of here.
The next day.
Gang, let's show off Omar X5. Well, he next to my X5, so it ain't gonna look too good.
Once I get tuned,
Look at my baby up under there.
don't worry about her.
Look at my baby. Yeah, that's who they need to worry about right here. They need to worry about that.
It's gonna be these two, this one versus you. And
Gang, who y'all got y'all money on? My X5 or Omar X5? Let me know in the comments who y'all got y'all money on.
that one right there. That you gonna get walked. You gonna
Well,
get dusted.
well, two of his spark plugs bad, so.
Who? Hell no, my spark plug's not bad.
Oh man. Oh, have you beat?
I'm gonna get the coilovers first. And
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna put the coilovers on so that it sits lower and gets all that nice downforce.
Well, if you beat that one, then you got to beat Sasha.
It's like I'm gonna walk Sasha too.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
Any day.
Gang, she coming back. She'll be back soon. Ooh, Jesus, that thing gorgeous. This is Florida, so it's extremely hot, and we got the crate, well, the pallet in right here. Got the pallet right there. Transmission right here. And she getting ready to go out. We getting ready to go on out to Pure Drivetrain Solutions.